back to Lego King Cardinal 1. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Lego Medium Creative Brick Box from Lego Classic. So yeah, so this I will be just showing all the ideas they have in this. So let's get started. First of all, we got the box. It's ages 4 to 99. Dang. Set number 10696. It has 484 pieces. So yeah, so you can see ideas included, so we can show some stuff. It's the front of the box. On the top shows all the pieces. Pretty cool. Side. At the back, it shows the full piece count, every set, plus brick separator, which is awesome. That's the shows actual size of a Lego brick. Some stuff you can buy in it, and yeah. On the bottom of the box, it's not saying really that much. Just says ideas in Lego Club, URL. So let's just rip the take the cardboard out. So as you can see, here's the box with all the cardboard out. So let's open it up. So here is actually just the extra pieces. It comes once you're done building all the sets. Here are all the extra pieces. You got the actual rubber wheels. You got some rips, some studs, random studs, another wheel. Yeah. So yeah, those are just some extra bricks, plus the brick separator. It's pretty cool. But artists, I don't care about these extra bricks. Where's the actual stuff? So, first of all, we got this Lego toaster. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It comes with actual. Once you have built this, it actually works. So here's cooked bread, toasted bread, small, just normal bread out of the package. So once you put it in there, you see this part. You can also push it up to make it pop out. And then maybe if you're doing like a stop motion animation, in the meantime, while it's in there, you could actually change it, make it look like it's now cooked bread. And once it's cooked bread, you can like pop it out. God, that's too much. So yeah, that's a cool play feature. How it works is this pushes the heater up and down. The back, bottom. That's what it looks like. Comes with some just pieces of bread. The normal bread pieces are smaller than the big ones, than the toasted ones. That's a cool toaster and all, but where's the other stuff? Maybe like the alligator, or the windmill, or the tiger. So actually, I got those stuff too. So let's get this started. Choo choo, choo choo. Here is the choo choo train. This comes with. So if you can take out the carriages, and you can actually, if you make more of these, you can connect them more and make a big choo choo train. It's pretty cool if you buy more of these sets. you get in, here's the front has smoke up here, and here you can see the fireplace where they put all the coal. It would probably fit a minifigure in there, to be honest. Yeah, it's so near the wheels. That's why all those rubber tires are wandering around for these wheels. Yeah. So, yeah. This passenger cart, it's just normal passenger cart. You can take the roof off. You fit some, I don't know. I don't think you could fit a minifigure in there, but maybe you can. So, if you could, that'd be really cool. Probably only one minifigure though, because it's pretty small. But that's cool. It's a cool train. Connected in. If you have multiple of these, you can make a big train. It only comes with two. Yeah. But anyways, next we got this abominable snowman. Oh, he's scary. Not really. He's actually pretty friendly. So actually, this build was pretty cheap. Because at the back there is like this big hole and stuff, but on the front it looks pretty cool. Got some frozen pieces. I actually never got those real light blue pieces, which is pretty cool. Next we got the alligator. Pretty simple build. It's just like this. Probably smiling right now. It looks like it's happy. So yeah. Oh no! Alligator, run! Ah! Run! It's coming! Ah! So this is a tiger. Looks pretty furious. Got these new googly eyes things. So yeah. But actually, if you flip these googly eyes, it's actually a happy. It actually makes it look happy. But if you do it like this, it makes it look mad and angry. It's coming to get you. And just put that on. Tail moves like that. Push the back. Yeah, that's a tiger. So yeah, now we have some other stuff to show, like a windmill, some cars, flowers. So yeah. So here is one of these cool flowers. So here is the one flower. As you can see, its leaves are at the bottom. At the top, it's pollen, I think. That's what you call it. I'm not sure. But anyways, these petals. I mean, like, I think they're called petals or something. I don't know. They can fold up and down like this. So yeah, that's one of these flowers. So next, we got a taxi car. Beep, beep, beep. So yeah, you can't fit a minifigure in it though, but it's just what it looks. Display. No license ticket. No license sticker. I actually got a ticket. Oh, we actually got a ticket for that, since ours was expired. Then we got one of these tractor thingies, I don't know. Or like I don't know what you call them. Anyways, you can actually fit a minifigure in this one. It kind of looks like an animal, to be honest. This part looks like it's an animal, but that's actually the wheel, which is weird, really weird. You can fit a minifigure in this one, make it seem like he's driving. Here's the handles for him to driving. So that's cool. And I actually thought that was like some like future like car animal thingy that I don't know. It's weird. Next we got another flower, one of these pink ones. As you can see, it's the middle. You can't move any of the petals though, unless you might break it. But you can actually make it like spin a little bit till it falls. So if you take it off easily like that, it's like this green new. This is the light green, so that's cool. I never got one of those pieces before. Just like the light blue that the snowman had. So yeah, that's cool. Okay, last but not least, we got the windmill setting. So this is half of the. It's 8 by 16 base plate. So it's a 8 by 16 base plate. It's half a 16 by 16 base plate. So it's on that one of those. You can see the windmill spins if you get it around. Pretty cool. Got some hay over here, trees over here, fence here, a window, door. Yeah, it looks actually pretty nice. Maybe you can display all these like how I'm doing like this, so it will look real cool. So yeah, actually that is it for this review. Yeah, but that's actually it. So thank you guys for watching this video. And yeah, but actually I almost forgot the instruction manual. This instruction manual is really weird. Some of the things you make, you have to go online to make it. So see how these computer things, symbols, you have to go online to make those. It's pretty weird. Just one instruction manual, that's how it looks like. It's back. Yeah. So I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Choo choo, choo choo, choo. And bye. Cut! Expectations versus reality.
This is reality.
Oh.